QuData.com.
Hello and welcome to the new QuData tutorial. In this video, we will learn to use analytics in chatbots. As you may see in the analytics section, there is no usage data for the chatbot yet. Open a ready-made template, the bot providing information about the company services. Let's set up key events. Let's navigate to the first target card. Create an actions object by clicking on the plus sign in the step properties, and scroll down to it. Then create an event, choosing a suitable name for it. Repeat the actions with the second target card, which is used for tracking user activity. Launch the bot to check if it worked. Navigate to the chatbot sections where the key events were set. Now return to the analytics section, and observe the chatbot usage data displayed in the following charts shown in the video. Check our videos and learn more useful tricks to automate your workflow.